Let's make some chocolate cake, shall we? If you know anything about me, you know I am a chocolate girl. It's not just the color of my skin, but I am so much in love with anything chocolate, from ice cream to cakes and basically everything in between. I love chocolate, and I don't know about you, but I have grown to be very comfortable with my taste buds and comfortable with who I am, basically comfortable with the color of my skin, comfortable with how I look, comfortable with my size, comfortable with my smile, everything about me. I just find myself loving on myself every single day. So if you're watching this video and you're listening to me, I want you to love on yourself. Be kind to yourself. Have a healthy relationship with yourself. Be good to yourself. Eat well, sleep well, read books, watch people that inspire you. Don't compare yourself with other people. Rather, get inspired by other people. Don't become envious or jealous or bitter about someone else's progress. Rather, celebrate other people's wins, because the truth is you are not blind. You can see, and part of the things that you will see are people that are moving forward just like you. Some people are already where you want to be. Some people are, maybe they seem to have gone ahead of you, but that's nothing to worry about, truthfully. And I know sometimes it can be very difficult to not care about other people's progress, but there's a flip side to it. Look on the bright side, especially if these people are close to you. If they are your friends, just say, if Jesus is doing it for my friend, it means Jesus is in my neighborhood. If Jesus is doing it for my neighbor, if my neighbor is making progress, it means progress is around me. And when Jesus is done with my friend, he's going to come next door, and that's me. So celebrate the wins of other people and enjoy your process. Enjoy where you are in your journey. No two people have the same journey. No two people have the same destiny. So appreciate who you are while you're getting to where you want to be. Ensure that you constantly improve yourself, improve your delivery, and you make it to the top. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you order this cake, and I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share this video, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.